This is a classic example of what happens when risk off comes to happen. Today we see the stock markets in the United States all down, Dow, Nasdaq, S&P all down, and they're down sharply. Particularly Nasdaq being down 2%. Well, it's not unusual. It has risen also quite a bit. So we have, at the time of recording this video, we have Nasdaq down 2.04%. We have S&P down 1.17 and we have the Dow Jones down 0.53%. Okay. Let's look at other assets, right? Normally it is said that when risk off will happen, then people will flee to safe havens such as gold and silver. So gold and silver should technically be up today, right? But they are also down. And mark my video is one of the most important ones today. We see gold down 1.61% at $39.49 1 troy ounce. We see silver also down 2.46% at 46.86. And we see the bonds. The bonds is a place where people may rush, right? Because at least it is safe, the treasury bonds. But here, if everybody rushes to bonds, then the bond yield should technically go up, right? So today we see the 10-year bond at 4.087%. It's down by 2 basis points. It's also not doing well. Let's look at oil, right? So oil, the Brent crude is down 1% and the WTI is down 1.13%. Let's look at crypto. Bitcoin today is down 5.83%, dangerously hovering near the 100,000 mark. Ether is down 11.21%. Solana is down 7.78%. And Dogecoin is 5.17% down. So it's an all asset collapse that is taking place. Stocks have fallen pressured by declines in artificial intelligence related names such as Palantir, as investors are growing increasingly concerned about valuations in the bull market leading shares. The S&P 500 is declined 1.17% at 6,771. Nasdaq is down 2.04% to finish at 23,348. Dow is currently down 251. Palantir shares are down 9% even after the software company beat Wall Street's estimates for the third quarter and gave strong guidance fueled by growth in its artificial intelligence business. The stock, which has risen more than 150% this year, trades at more than 200 times forward earnings. This means that investors in that name and the other AI stocks expect the companies to keep ratcheting up their forecast of profits and revenue in large magnitudes in order to coax the investors to continue buying these shares. Oracle, which sports a forward PE of 35, has moved 4% lower, chipping away at its almost 50% gain this year. Chip maker AMD, which has more than doubled this year, has lost more than 2%, which is ordinary. But other AI stocks such as Nvidia and others have also pulled back. AI stocks gains have driven the S&P 500 forward price earnings ratio to above 23, near its highest level since 2000 as per FactSet. As those stocks have lifted the broader market to new highs in recent months, that without a pullback, valuations are beginning to look really stretched. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley also talked of the possibility of a correction of 10 to 20% over the next 2 years. Friends, here we have all the assets declining at the same time. It shows that there is the extra liquidity which has come is now gone into every asset class. That's why every asset is now falling. Even the safe havens like gold and silver are falling. You have bonds falling, and everything is across the board. To get to know more how far and how long this correction can last, do join our Prime Plus, specifically addressed for predicting the US markets. You can do that by WhatsApping us on 732-732-2720. Alternatively, you can also email us at globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com, globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.